To make the model, you need to add a UV sphere. So Shift A, add a UV sphere, and we will go with the 24 segment and 12 rings. After that, you need to go to the edit mode, turn on your X-ray mode and select these bottom words and then delete them. And then delete these top faces also. Then add a subdivide surface modifier. So just add that subdivide modifier and apply it with the one viewport level. Then select the stop face loop and then delete that face loop. Okay. The next thing, you need to select these face loops in this manner. You need to select these face loops with the Shift Alt select and deselect 3 face loops in between the 2 face loops. And then you need to select the face loops in a vertical direction also, like this. And then press I for the insert operation. And then Ctrl I to invert that selection. And then you can delete these faces. You will get this cage here of faces. So select everything and then E to extrude it and scale it along its normal. So Alt S to scale it along its normal. So you need to press Alt S to scale it along its normal. Then you need to add the subdivide surface modifier, and then you can see we are getting this kind of form here. So shear smooth it. You need to apply that subdivide modifier with the one viewport level and keep that modifier on a simple. And then you need to add one more subdivide surface modifier and increase its count up to 2. You can see this kind of form we are getting, and that's look pretty well. And now we need to add more details on it, means those more loop cuts. So that's why you need to delete these faces. You can use the X-ray mode and delete these faces, words. You can use the cross selection or you can use increase selection with the Ctrl+. So you will get this part of the model and just add few loop cuts here. With the insert operation you can do that. So select these face loops and then you need to press I for the insert operation just to add more loop cut at there. And now we are getting the decent form here. Then you can see that's look pretty well. Just add few loop cuts here. So press I for the insert operation, then press B to avoid that border, and then you can add the loop cuts like this. And then go to the top view, go to the edit mode, select everything, Shift D to duplicate it and then rotate it into the 30 degree. So one more time, select everything, Shift D to duplicate it and rotate it into the 30 degree. You need to repeat this step to complete that whole circular form. Then select everything and press M and merge by distance. And now you can see we are getting the decent form here. You can see we are getting the smooth shading and harder edges also for this Boolean dome form. Then you can select these edge rings, Shift Ctrl Alt click to select these edge rings. So select these edge rings and then you can use the edge flow add-on and use the set flow. So you can manage the edge flow at there and you will get the cylindrical form at the bottom. And then you can add more loop cuts on the model at the necessary places. So just add few loop cuts on the model so you will get decent form here. And then you can see that's look good. Just turn on that subdivide surface modifier and in this way you can create this kind of Boolean dome form. So we are getting the right topology on the model, we are getting the smooth shading also, and that's look good. So thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video, take care.